If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch for church, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for you. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. You see, today, my people, today na about one of our sister. This our sister na Italy she dey. She first dey, she get 2 children. When she come get the 3rd pregnancy, now she come say she wan go France because things hard. And at that time I remember Italy, e really dey red that time. No be everybody fit bear am, many people come comot. But this our sister, e say e make mistake o, e agree, e say e make mistake. E say e dey share her story just to encourage you when you dey watch me right now, just to tell you say, especially if you dey area wey e be say the area wey you dey, you never sabi that area well well, you never go jiro waka around that area well well, you no know as that area be. If you dey the area and you dey there with your children, be careful, look around that area, look how that area be before you allow your children go dey play for that area. Because this story na lesson to me. I really learn from this story. Yes, I learn, and I believe you when they watch me right now, share this story so that you too, you go learn from this story. You know, sometimes if you bring matter come, not be everything you need to pick from inside. There are some things wey be say you go pick wey go be your own, others go be for another person. And I really pick some part wey be say na my own for inside this matter, and I hope say you too go see something pick for there. Very touching and interesting story like that. But I go play her voice record. Na Benin she take talk about the matter, then I will explain more better to those people wey no dey hear the language. Thank you.
My brothers and sisters, wako abishe noga waya wakada kada warego momu menage Lady T.
Okay, my friend, you see, for people wey no dey hear the language, she say she regret wetin make am comot for Italy go France, and at the end e come be say she come lost her 2 children the same day, and now people dey look her. E be like say the monetary spirit wey dey follow her from Nigeria, according to the way I take see the matter, because this one no be ordinary hand. After she lost her 2 children, she come see God come see bless her with another children again, and government wan come collect the children for her hand. But thank God she come fit get her children back, dem no fit collect am. But well, anyway, me I just tell una the story how e take happen so that una go understand am. This our sister, I say, so when he moved to France, he come dey one city like that. He call the name of the city, I no fit remember all the name of the city. He say so when he dey that city, then he come wait, he born the pikin. That pikin, the belle wey he carry come France, he use am do that papa level now. So that papa level, dem dey quick use am dey give doku, but they no give her doku. She try make you take know say they say owamanagbonwa oa setting, if ass no kill you, outside no go fit. So with person wey be say e get pikin wey don already get the pali, e dey easy to give the mother, but they no gree give her. Na so she come wait oh, they no gree give her, and the place wey they dey no dey okay for her and her children. So na somebody come still tell her say make she comot for that city, make e go another city, say that city dem dey quick dey answer. Na so she come pack her children, she come gat to keep her things for one of her close friend place, then she come go another sitting wey dem say dem dey quick give, dem come stay there, dem come put dem for hotel. Dem say na hotel dem dey mostly dey put dem for France for there, because this story she just bring am just to encourage other people. Please share this video. He say so dem come dey the hotel, and the hotel no dey okay for dem. Dem dey manage because dem no dey fit cook. Na outside food the children dey eat. Imagine 2 children, the first one dey 8 years, the other one dey 4 years, then the small one wey even born for France don dey go 2 years. Dem never still give the mother paper, and dem still dey hotel. Dem never still get their own house. So dem dey go buy food. The food sef wey dem dey buy, no children wey don grow up with cooking food at the time, na so buy food, all this panini bread and all that wey dem dey eat. The children no dey comfortable for all this food. She come dey fight am whether dem go give am house, whether dem go answer am. Dem no still answer her. So somebody come still tell am say make she go back to where she from come. He say because where she from come, so na for there she go fit get help. Say because she don already, all her history don already dey there, make she go back. Na so she come carry her kaya, she come carry her children. Dem come go back to the first place wey dem first come for France. As dem reach there, dem come give dem one place, one hotel place. Na there na the yawa for start. Dem come give dem one hotel place like that, make dem dey stay. Then he say the place na just outskirts of town, and he no go round that place because as they just give them that hotel, say make dem dey stay there. He meet other families for there with children, so he come drop her things for there. So she come say okay, since na the same area where she first dey before, where she first drop some of her things before, she need them now. He come say okay, make you go take those things. He come go meet that friend wey drop those things for her hand. He come take some of the things. Then she come dey come back to the hotel wey be say dem give she and her children. He say as she dey carry the load dey come, she tire, sweat dey, heat dey. She come manage enter house. As they dey go, they meet other children dey play for downstairs. Then her own children, that is the one of 8 years and the one of 4 years, come dey cry say they wan play with other children wey dey play for downstairs. He come tell dem say no, make dem come, make dem go inside, make dem go upstairs. You know children na, no, mommy want to play, mommy want to play. He say so. He come say okay, mona play small, mona come up. Then she come climb up. He come leave dem make dem play. Then the small one wey dey like 2 years come dey cry say he wan still follow dem play. She come say no, you too small. He come carry that one. He say that one cry. He no know why that one dey cry. That one cry like never before. He cry. He come drag that one go upstairs with her. Then as she dey pull her clothes say make she go baff, she come dey hear noise for downstairs with the children. You know as children dey play now, you drag me, I drag you. He say come from window open, look, just peep dem, just see how dem dey do. He see say dem dey play with the other children for there. So he say one of the men come dey say tell dem make dem come up, tell dem make dem come up. He say he come tell dem make dem come up. Dem come say no, dem wan still play, make dem still play. He come tell dem say okay, I give you 5 minutes. After 5 minutes mona come up. Oh, dem come say okay. He say but the men come say dey tell him say tell dem make dem come up immediately. He say but he come look the children wey dem dey play with, all those ones dem just dey enjoy the play. Come say okay, since dem newly come this area, maybe dem wan make new friends, and if you just say dem make dem come up like that, e fit be say maybe other children fit no like am or dem fit no dey happy, make dem just play that 5 minutes. Then he go tell dem make dem come up. He say na so he take say make he enter bathroom. He say before he say make he enter bathroom, make he go pour water for body. Na there one small pikin don run come dey knock say dem don fall for inside water o, dem don fall for inside water o. Then he come talk say dem fall for inside water, which water, which water? He say dem come dey call dem water o, water. He say come tell dem say if dem fall for inside water, I think dem make dem come out na, make dem come out, make I come baff dem. He say no be that kind water. He say no be that kind water. He say na so he run. As he run reach downstairs, see some adults dey there. He come dey say dem say mona come, dem say children don fall for water o. He say na so dem take run reach there. Say because that place na new area, he never even go around. He no know say back of the hotel what bush dey there o. the bush grow, you no go even know say one big river dey there, very big. I know the kind river wey dey talk, wey be say all this bush go cover, you no quick know say river dey there. Na when you stretch your neck well well, na you know say river dey there. All those kind river wey be say tree dey grow come out for under, you understand, e dey very very perigolo. E get the way e dey know. E say if you see big river for there, then you go dey shout, na this river dey fall put. E say e come meet only one, that one dey on top of water dey jump. He no see that is the senior one, the junior one, he no see that one at all. He say now he come dey shout, then one boy come say he wan run go make he go bring them come out. He say one man come hold am, come tell am say make he no enter that place, say because that place say he no know how deep e be, say maybe e dey very very deep, make he no go. He say the boy dey try to go, he say make he no go, and she no fit enter because she no sabi baff. And that place e get the way dey take do am, they no even face am, nothing. He say they come call these police people before they come with a helicopter, before they come bring them come out. It's already one small girl for inside. He say that one e dey struggle, that one dey struggle to come out for inside the water. E be like say that small girl sabi baff, so they come throw one long stick give the small girl. Na the stick the small girl come hold, they come even only that small girl they come survive. Then when this security people come and the ambulance people come, they come enter inside wear wetin they wear, come bring all of them come out. But the senior one come dey breathe small. The junior one no just dey breathe at all. They say that one don enter coma. So na so they say pack all of them. There be 5 children that day when they break come out inside that water. Na so they say rush dem with helicopter go hospital. They do. When e reach there, now they come talk say the senior one wey be dey breathe small, he don give up. That one wey dey coma, he no see wake up. Na so 2 children take go. May their soul rest in perfect peace. That kind of woman go feel for koro eye too. Only one say person dey die wake up, and much more too. He say na so he come dey waka like breeze, like spirit dey waka for area. He no know wetin he wan talk. Why I dey talk this thing be say this one na another big lesson to parents. If you go any area when you know say you no sabi, no just leave your children say go play. You no know as that area be. Maybe some things fit dey like that, when go be big river wey bush cover. Na only people wey dey that area know say that kind thing dey there. You need to dey follow your children, or no let them even go play for area when you know say you no sabi well, because this Europe country no be like our Africa country. Like our Africa country, to see all those kind things na inside village. Now you for see all those kind things. For town, you no go see all those kind things. And for the village, you get the way the city dey do am. You understand? So that's why because for this abroad, even for town, you go just see some water go pass and the water go dey float, current go dey. Even that one dey carry children sef. I don see pikin wey that one carry too. 3 years pikin, na ball fall for inside. He run say make he go catch the ball. Na so him mama no take see am again. Now they say be dey play ball for here, na camera. Now they come take satellite, now they come take fit get am say see wetin happen to that boy. They no even expect, they think say maybe they thief the pikin. They no expect say na that kind thing na happen to am. He boy your fall for inside, say make he go take am, na so the water. You understand? So that's why even gutter they dey corner, especially this Europe where that's why if you go new area, be careful. So this our sister, na so im matter take happen o. He say since then he come regret, say like say he know, like say he dey this Italy. I know say many people go say why he comot oloyolere. There was a time Italy get as e be, na only people wey fit bear am na fit bear am. No be everybody fit bear am at that time, you understand? Especially people wey no get paper, go come still can say no help dey come and no paper, you understand? People wey still get paper, they still bear am, you understand? And so we sometimes we will still blame ourselves, say something like this, sometimes the blame go still be small because all the faults dey come from our where we from dey come, our country. Because if e good, all this one we no go come dey see am for say you come dey waka up and down, dey go here go there, you understand. I no say make people dey waka up and down, but sometimes something happen short, you just short of words, you no know wetin you wan talk again. You see na so e come do. Na one brother come tell am say if dem tell am say whether as this thing don happen so you go still stay for this country, make e talk say no, he no wan stay for this country, he wan comot for this country. He say then they go give am free flight to go any country wey he wan go, and any country wey he wan go, those countries they go know her story, they go support her. You see na so the brother tell am, the brother say he don stay for this country, na make him dey tell you like this. So this our sister come say okay. He say but when they come call am, they really ask am say as this thing don happen to you, so you go still stay this country or you go comot. He say come talk say he no go comot for this country, he go stay this country, make for go dey give his children flowers. He say they come say the woman come look am, he come shake head, he come say okay. He say na so document sef they no give am. E come be like say e come be fry pan to fire. He say like say he know as that brother you tell am that time, if for you lis ten to the brother, he say no lis ten. He say na there e come be like say everything come worst, no help, nothing dey work. They no even come say okay, see wetin happen to you, make dem still make her dey comfortable to compensate am. Say because why they go even go carry person with children go that kind hotel wey be say that kind big river dey the back. He say no they no compensate am, they no do anything. He say na that time he come regret, say oh like say no, if for do wetin this brother tell am make he do that time. Na so he come do, he come struggle in life for before God come bless am. He come born another pikin. After he born another pikin now, so all these people come dey want to claim now say she dey kolo, they wan carry pikin for hands because of wetin don fit happen. They feel say depression don already carry her away, that she dey kolo now, they wan collect pikin for hands. You see na so he come struggle, he come fit collect the pikin back for their hands. But thank God now he get their doku now. He say but the problem be say that they follow her up and down. He no understand. He say that they follow her now. Yeah, okay, people wey no dey hear Benin, may I explain now. He say that they follow her up and down. He say if he enter anywhere na so they do nose for her. If she and her children enter McDonald's where they want for eat, he say everybody go just get up, leave her for there. Now I come say why people dey do you like this? Abi you ask am whether, he say no, he dey very okay, he dey dress fine. He come even send most of her pictures and her children pictures for me. If you see her, she dey very okay. She dress so fine, her children dress so fine, her children dey cut their hair, all the different pictures, different pictures. Now he sent for me. Say na she even snap one instantly as they take dey sef, they dey very okay. But wetin come be all this monetary spirit wey come dey follow her up and down now? The monetary spirit wey come from Africa don make her lose her 2 children. They no still leave her alone, they still dey follow her up and down now. He say sometimes say they go dey provoke her, make she shout, make she provoke, make dem say hey, kolo don start o. She don start to dey kolo, they go provoke her. I say but he go hold her side, say because he know where they dey go. He go hold her side, make sure say they no fit provoke her to make her come dey do like say she dey kolo. From there they come enter her body. Say na so they go dey provoke her. They go dey provoke her just to make her to come shout, come say why you dey do like this. Then the next thing they occur social say hey, man, I see this woman wey see the way she dey behave o. Then they come carry her go court, go the judge say she dey kolo because monetary spirit. Because when she explain everything to me, I tell her say well, I no really know, because I no feel why social go your day after you like this. After they don't give you your own permanent house, they don't give you documents, why they come dey after you? Now so this one na monetary spirits. the monetary spirit wey dey follow you right from time wey e come follow you comot for Italy come go France come lose your 2 children, they no wan leave you alone. Now they still dey follow you because I no believe why one social go say e no get work to do again and to dey send people to dey follow you up and down to monitor you. No, all those people wey you see say dem dey monitor you na spiritual monetary spirit people, and you need to do something about it. Sometimes like our sister that day, e say na bed na dey send take dey monitor her. Now the same France, e say bed, the bed go dey fly dey follow am. She talk am, many people no believe. Some say wetin me even dey talk, wetin I dey talk so whether e correct, wetin I dey talk correct na wetin she see na she talk. And many people still testify and say na true. They say na so the bed dey do our Africa people sef their own too much, and na superstitious belief, we too dey believe different things. You know say many people no dey believe all this kind thing o. Say dem fit send birds come monitor you, as our sister talk that I know see many comments wey many people drop, but na wetin dem still believe. But for the voice recording, I know say many people send me, even some dey even say they see the bed, the house wey dey lock, before they come back they see one big black bed for inside house. I no understand though, that one okay, that one can't be normal bed again. You know say if you talk now they'll say you talk, no be person climb tree when they break on top of tree. Wetin una wan talk that tell that talk about that one? No be person they see for one company, which company? Or Milo company, one old woman wey dey break am for there, e turn to bed for there. No be person dey see like that, dey still video am. We dey social media world. That time when we no dey social media world, things dey happen, we no dey know. We go dey say na here, we say here, na rumor. But social media world, nothing like rumor, because as e dey happen, dem dey snap am, dem dey video am, dem dey put am for YouTube, dem dey put am for Facebook, for WhatsApp, Instagram. People dey see am koro, but people go see dey doubt say e no dey happen. That our sister wey talk about bed, na so dey talk. This one na monetary spirit, and this monetary spirit wey dey use so na oyibo. Now you go dey look and say na social send dem come. No be any social, because social no get your time. As far as say you don already get document, you don get house, I no believe say they'll dey after you again. Say wetin they want dey after you for. Now the monetary spirit wey be say they send from Africa come torment somebody, na be this one. So that's why we need to be prayerful. We need to dey pray always, because you don't know who monetary spirit. Some sef their own monetary spirit na satellites, they no go even know. Depends, everybody. Some people their monetary spirit dey different. So na satellites, so no be satellites, so na mirror, you understand? So na base, so na internet. Hey, I know say this internet over here, so people go see us. Hey, Lady T, internet monetary spirit. Yes, internet monetary spirit. They go use that the satellite everywhere. You no go know. So things they really dey happen. Where person, wetin person never see, e never waka reach there. This our sister now monetary spirits. Na be wetin dey send follow her. The monetary spirit come follow am. Now she lose her 2 kids. They no still wan leave her alone. They still dey follow am. Wetin they want from her? So my people, if you know say you dey live for France, and you know say this kind thing fit happen, say social go just after you don get document, get everything, social go still send people make dem come dey monitor you. If you know say e dey possible, you can leave your comment down there. If you still know say na monetary spirit from Africa, you can still leave your comment down there. This our sister go dey see the comments, but she just come out come say she just want use this her own story, her life story, to encourage you when they watch me right now, to tell you say never give up in life, and don't ever try to make the mistake wey she make. It take the grace of God for somebody to come out to say her story, to encourage somebody. It take the grace of God for her to even put her voice note down there, for you people to understand that this thing really happened to her, and she's using it to encourage you not to make the same mistake she make. That's why some people, they will make mistake. Though the mistake may be horrible, you don't have to blame that person, because the person they tell you so that you go learn. You when they leave that common, you fit get your common sense. Not be everybody get that common sense. There are some people when you go see look the video, when you not get that common sense, when you go pick something from wetin she talk, because egbano mafo e no dey complete for everybody. where your sense for end now there somebody own for start. So I really thank you, my sister, for bringing this your story to this our YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. And I always pray for people when they bring their story come here, when I dey talk their story, that anything they are looking for, God will surely grant them their heart desire. That their story will turn to be good, no matter how the story look like. And testimony and thanksgiving will always follow their life, and celebration will not cease from them. That has always been my prayers to anybody when I don talk his story for this YouTube, for this my channel. That person life will never remain the same again. Glory, glory, higher. Now the person go dey go in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you guys for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. Anyone you call me, I dey there for you. It's problem said is the problem I've solved. Thank you. If you want drop message for WhatsApp, just drop a voice note. I will listen. I will call you back. If you call me and not pick, please try to call me by weekend. I mostly pick all my calls for weekend. So thank you. God bless you for watching. Please share this video and like this video. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye.
My brothers and sisters, wako avije noga waya wakada warego. Momu menage Lady T. I will not do that. Ojani Maïbe maintenant en France. Et j'ai Paris, et France, et j'ai. Maintenant, wawati et ni mieux bon et au niveau de temps magmo. Cause on vient vers France, il y a mieux ouais. Il y a ouais boy, il y a mieux ouais Africa, et on vient vers. Ni ya luze, ni ya que Italia dia et on a. See mana because of one thing and the other na lose on meva. E lose on meva ai ire mana. Mama social mana me misunderstanding. Miami misunderstanding na gwale kene na me wo hia momo. Azemonda ne ma ne riega no maya. Imu omoria because I believe you when jomo paro no na mu yomo ria. Ina gbenajo ana somo ame ni egbe ma ye oko ma oko mo imare mo ni maje we France na mi we afcast e ma ri mo na biele France na biele mo na viare cause no ga viore no ro o wulo e fani ki biele mana ma nwa me mari pu yo to organization not a we and near not a when I'm mo e ma ge gbe oko me ya vie mori school amuti e da we school if you mo adeni ahia adoje koti ya je kota re afomo me we idolo moji e mo is okay we ya na when you we ya iri ya gba o ya se dia okay o na ga mo organization ni emni mawu amaliti me terrorist ve na ati me ojiwa hwe ori ahwe ya ya demi we stop we were ya ri weki we ya ri weki awa muti ya le ya vie camera ya video me ya wene mani ni him ya provoke so that he make na gwa dia gwa na me video daji ana so anjo ya me wu ne ogo me ya me waje we gbe me mana sini ya le mana ye if you ba we ya be kuna ya vi mo pa ye Italy le no ya me ya pa de ti e atuta ba me ma me ga me gbe be ni me webo ya ke na de mi e o ti so no vi we ahu o ya me no kwa ki me ke mo ma me do na sa e ma ya ri ba me do na we ni vi mo ya ri ba e ibi français ya wa gwa pa gbe wa ga ya wa pa e ni wi ya e ma ni wi ya e so I know I say na mo be ma mati we no do tala dia be e WhatsApp no do tala dia so e might be me believe where e near pass through since 2015 to this time e believe where any kere ma understand if you have something on the time yo me e believe say very well ma je be ro no je be pass through e be stress na cause we believe him okpano. So sister, brother, wa pass through egbe na comment ejo. So that I mean cannot be we man or pass through a lot will bear. Emani magwe emani mashe eboni mashe. Osi enak be video na osi enak be ere. Imare wana mara we ade mara ku debet. E ade ya wo de o me ni de o. Imame be de mem na tie me. Imagbok be magbok o. Ah we na ade banana do bunya na ade na ne ya we a. Unu e wo ko na egbelewa. Oh no boy daji wo de. Ya me viola dia just emi dani agbe yo me ogia me fa ya gwalo ni ahia result. Na we ri owe. Ahi mi fa vero ika se va di tero awa ya hime. We so ya me je vekpa. So my brothers and sisters, that is you ogia me rewe we na mi we arewe bo. Bena mama buro be we go be Nigeria re amu buro be evolution. Okpe atu mo ko school ni me. Ya de dan do re ale hian wo de. O se no ne legiti. No government do tell me na la dia so that them have run no pass through stress na. Kiye kemo. Dia comment yo we ria me ro. Na ya wa afia mo mighty fia mo gbe ma were gbe ho ria mo ma ho ndo bono dia keme. O se na mu me na re. Wa wese ira vi je me teme ya no ga no dame yo me na. Wa ya wa wese.